I'm going to demonstrate what to do when you have a bolt that's seized and won't come out with a screwdriver or other methods. You're going to need a hand drill and an 832 tap and drill set. So the first thing you do is you drill as straight in as you can get it to go. Now we got the head off, and that will enable us to take off the sheet metal. But you also want to drill through and then tap new threads or clean the existing threads. There we go. Now, the next step, of course, is with the tapping tool to go in and either clean out the existing threads or tap new threads. And with this T-wrench, we're going to tap in new threads or clean out the old threads. And let's see if the new screw will fit in there.